Alright, we got a 1970, what is that again? 73? Yeah, 73 Javelin AMX. It's a HURST edition. It's got the 401 engine in it. Just those, they used to have a 390, then they had a 400. I think this is how, I'm not sure if this is a factory they did this like this, but you know, to tell you the truth, I remember, and you can't even find this on Wikipedia or nothing or anywhere. I remember seeing a red, white, and blue from the factory, Hemi Cuda. You know, back then it was rusted out, and the guy they were driving around where we used to cruise in this like park. It's like in Bloomfield, New Jersey, around this, I don't know, it's this big circle you go around, and they had the park police there always giving us shit. I remember seeing a red, white, and blue Hemi Cuda, and I swear there's more of these red, white, and blue HURST editions. Maybe that wasn't a HURST edition, but there was a lot more of these red, white, and blue performance cars out there back then. Then I don't think they have all these categorized, to tell you the truth, even today. You see the red stripe going down the pipe, you know, the roof. Nice car, man. It's amazing. You know, this should have saved American Motors, this car, plus the Jeep. I mean, I'm surprised, even when Chrysler bought them out, that they didn't keep this car going. They should have. They should have kept this going. It's true 4-speed. And I tell you what, American Motors make great cars. Just somehow, when you don't get the market share, that's what happens. You just have one bad year. If you don't have the market share, you have a few bad years, you get screwed. You know, it's like it's the big guys are gobbling up the small guys. There was a lot more car manufacturers out in the 50s. You know, I mean, you're talking about, you know, the Kaiser and the Hudson, and what else? There was well, the DeSoto was basically the Chrysler, but there was a bunch of them out there that you probably never heard of today. That I can't remember the names off the top of my head. And they went under, and there was way more even back in the 30s. But it's like the corporations, or the guys, the guys that are super competitive, they crush everybody out at all costs. And this was a good car manufacturer. The Rambler was a great economical car. They had a Jeep. So, you know, Jeep was Kaiser, and Kaiser went out. But even when the AMC took them over, they had a really good straight 6 engine in them. They had some pretty good stuff in there. But this was Chrysler, when they took over AMC, should have resurrected this thing. This is a great car. You know, but today if they're resurrected, it would be all plastic and electronics, and it would be a body style that resembled this, and it wouldn't be the same thing. I personally think they can make these cars. I know they could with hydrogen. They can. That's a whole other story. So we say no, they can't.